Be strong.
This is how you create categories in your Schoology gradebook. First thing you want to do is you want to go to your course you're trying to create the gradebook for. Once you're in this course, you're going to go to Gradebook Setup. Here you can see I currently do not have any categories created in my gradebook. So to add them, I need to click on the Add button. I want to give it a category name. I want to figure out what it's going to be calculated by, and then also decide if I'm going to drop any of the lowest grades or not. My first category name is going to be homework. We use total points, and I'm not going to drop any of the lowest grades. I'm going to add a few more categories here. I'm going to use exams. Classwork. And let's do one more here. Let's do labs. Now I have 4 categories created for this course. These categories are not weighted. They're not weighted. So, what does weighted mean? Weighted means it allows you to adjust the impact that each one of these has on the overall grade. If you would like exams to have a larger impact than homework, we can weight the categories. And to do so, all we have to do is click on the Weight Categories box. Now you'll notice each of these have populated to 100 as the weight. That means they're going to have the exact same impact as each other. 25%, 25%, 25%. You'll notice that these numbers always add up to 100. So let's say I want my exams to be worth, let's make them worth 40 here. I want my homework to be weighted as 10. Labs, 30. Classwork, 20. When you're done, you can go through and you can double check to see what the percentages are here. 40, 70, 80, 100. These grading categories, they can't be changed throughout the course without disrupting the grades from all grade periods. Just an example would be if you change the weights in quarter 4, the grades from quarter 3 will also be affected. And again, they're relative to each other. So this is how you create grade categories in Schoology. And be sure you go and save down here at the bottom before you move on.